Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Let us begin the session now. Let us now create a solution slide. So to create a solution slide, we'll go to shape. Again, we go to arrows. I'll select the quad arrow callout. I'll just place it here. Again, I remove the borders. I'll color it, let's say this color. Let me increase the size of this as well. Say 2.5. Again, note that I had initially kept the lock aspect ratio uh, check mark. This means it will remain same no matter what I change the dimensions. So once this is done, I'll probably rotate it by say 45 degree. So now I have four arrows pointing towards four things. I would probably want to add an icon here suggesting the main theme of my solution that is there. So what I'll do is I'll go to shapes again. I'll go to oval shape. I'll just place it here. Now I reduce the oval shape size to say 0.6. Let me increase it to 0.8 actually. Let me just keep it in the center of this. So I'll remove the border again. I'll make this complete white so that there is a blank space for me to keep some icon or something like that. I'll group these two things now. So I will tell you where to find free icons. You should go to flaticon.com. Say I just want to place a solution wala icon itself. That is mainly a bulb or something like that. So I'll actually pick this one. So I wanted to ensure that the colors are of theme colors na. So to select this color, I go to eyedropper extension. I select this pick color from the web page. I select this color. I get the color code here. I copy this. I go to the flat icon back now. Here you once I clicked on that particular icon, I have two options here. Let me select this one actually. It looks much more darker or theme oriented. So I'll click on edit icon. I can see a choose a new color here. I'll select that. I'll just copy paste the color I had copied. Now I download this in the PNG format 128. So now I again download it for free. Again, I can copy the attribution link here. All the text that I have to write or anything that is all already fed in here. I go to my slides back. I copy paste the attribution this thing. Let's say I want to say the solution slide icon and I have pasted the reference point. Once this is done, I come back to solution slide. I go to insert. I upload the icon or the icon that I had selected. I just place it here. So now this looks decent enough. Now I want to add four solutions or details of the solutions. I'll just pick this round rectangle, keep it here. say I want to keep it yellowish, change the font again, reduce the font size. Again, it is good to basically keep a one font size. Say in these highlighted text now, if you are keeping 12 as the font size, it should be same throughout the PPT. That way it will be uniform. So that font size also should be streamlined. That is, say for example, here I am taking 10 as the font size for the text that I am adding below the header. Or say if I had one more subtext above this, below which I was writing this text, then in that case I would be making another subheader here, and basically changing the font size to 11. Since I have no use of this now, I'll be removing the 11 font size text here, and I'll place just the text here. Let me make it some random here. So this can be solution 1. Again, I'll change the color of this to white. Let me bring it centrally for this also. Now let me just go on copy pasting this one. This looks familiar. You can group this again, make the same thing you did in your previous slides as well. Again, so now what I have to do is I'll have to align these two things to the top, these two things as well. This is the top level alignment. I can parallelly align them sideways as well by aligning them to the left or right. So now you want all these three things, the solution one written here, both these texts, this and this one, all three to be equidistant. Then what you do is you select this, make a group again do the same thing for this particular thing as well, group it, group this one as well. Let's say you want to move it a little further here, and go to arrange, distribute horizontally, and say you want to move this to the center, the whole thing, you just select everything and move to the center. So now you have 4 solutions. Again, let us make another solution slide as well. So this is again very simple, using the shapes that are there in the Google Slides only. What I'll do is again go to shapes, select one of the shapes. I'll choose this one. I'll just remove the borders. I'll change the color to say this color. Again, make 4 copies of this. I'll place one copy to the adjacent, one to the adjacent top, one to the top. So let me align them to the top as well as sides. Let me bring them to the center. Now let me arrange these leaflet like things as well by rotating them. I'll rotate this horizontally. So once this is done, I'll rotate this one as well horizontally. So these two things I'll select, I'll group them, I'll rotate them vertically. So it looks like a leaf petal now. sort of. Once this is done, I'll just ungroup them just for simplification. Again, I'll pick some text and the header from the previous slide itself. I'll just pick this, copy this, I'll paste it here. Again, let me see if it is grouped. It is grouped. So I make 4 copies of it, including the existing copy. I bring them towards the 4 petals. Again, I'll have to align these things to the right or left based on the need. Again, I'll align this to the bottom. Let me do the grouping and centering as we did in earlier slide as well. I just group all the elements. Want to distribute them horizontally. Once it is done, I'll select everything and I'll ungroup for. You can even add icons to these petals. Basically for this solution one, what does this indicate in terms of icons that can be added here? For example, let us take some shapes only and add it here just to show you how it looks like. I'll take this shape. I'll reduce the size to 0.8. I'll keep it like this. I'll make the fill transparent here and I'll be just adding color to the borderline. It looks like this. Same way I'll be adding another shape here, say this one. Again I'll be doing the same thing with this as well. 0.8. Similarly another 2 shapes. Let's say this one. So once these shapes are colored in the way we want them to be, I'm just adding it here. So adding these icons gives a better appeal to the slide and also basically depict as to what this particular solution or the part of the solution is saying. Thank you. Do like and subscribe to keep yourself appraised about upcoming videos from my end. See you in the next one.